Here's how to schedule an email to be sent at a time in the future, also referred to as delayed delivery emails. We'll start with what this looks like in the new version of Outlook, and then schedule an email in the classic version of Outlook. Start by composing your email as you normally would so that it's ready to be sent. Then go to the Options tab in the ribbon. Click on the icon that looks like Send with a clock on it. It offers you, by default, 2 dates/times in the future, but you can choose your own custom time. Pressing that opens a calendar and a time list to specify the exact when you want this email sent out. Once you've done that, press Send. Alright, here's how to delay the delivery of an email in the classic version of Outlook. Start by composing your email as you normally would. Once you're finished, go to the Options tab in the ribbon. Look for the Delay Delivery button, which might be under the More Options menu. Click on Delay Delivery to open the Properties dialog box. In that box, find the Delivery Options section and check the box that says Do Not Deliver Before. Then, select the date and time you want the email to be sent. Click Close to save your settings, and then click Send. The email will be stored in your outbox until the specified date and time, at which point it will be sent automatically.